In this video, I will show you how to earn PayPal money online instantly. There is actually an application that can pay you fast through a number of different payment methods, one of which is PayPal. This is great because it's actually available on both iOS and Android devices, and you can do this in a number of places all around the world. So before I reveal this method on how to earn PayPal money online, if you do find value in my content, then please like this video, which does show me you enjoy the content I create. And also, if you do find this video helpful today, don't forget to leave a comment down below. I really do appreciate it. So what I'm going to show you today, guys, is a number of different websites and apps that will help you to make money online in a variety of ways. So let's get started. The first app I'll be sharing with you today is called BuzzBreak, and the official website for BuzzBreak is actually buzzbreak.news. So the great thing about this app is that it actually works on both iOS and Android, so it doesn't actually matter what device you have. So to get paid on this app, you will be reading articles and watching funny videos, which is actually pretty cool and a fun way to make some extra money. Even if reading articles requires a little more concentration on your part than watching videos, again, it's still a fantastic and really super simple way to earn some money. What I would suggest is that you both watch the funny videos and read the articles to maximise your outcomes. If you go to the Google Play Store, you'll see things that verify this application is real, legitimate, and it does pay out. You can see it has been rated by over 560,000 people, which is actually a very large number of people, but more importantly, it has an average rating of slightly more than 4 stars from all those people. So this is absolutely great to know, because not only does it have a good rating, but this is coming from thousands of people stating that there is virtually no doubt about whether or not this app is genuine. So I wanted to show you this, just so you can see that the applications and websites I am recommending to you today will truly pay you. And with that being said, we're going to move on to the second site, which is actually called earnably.com. So as soon as you visit their website, you'll be able to see right away what you can do to receive paid digital rewards and gift cards. The tasks are actually very easy to do and can involve things like viewing videos and taking surveys. So there's actually a number of ways you can get paid with this platform. And of course, the easiest task to do on here is watching videos, because who doesn't want to get paid to watch videos? And even more great than that is that you don't have to watch them in the first place. What you can do is just start them playing, leave the video alone, and do whatever you want to do, and you will still get paid. For those of you who prefer to make money online by doing surveys and tasks, then don't worry, because it will still allow you to make some decent money. And having said that, there's just one thing left to answer. So you're probably wondering, how will you get paid for the tasks you complete on this website? If you scroll down, you'll see that they will pay you through a number of different ways, including gift cards, but of course there is also PayPal, which is probably the option most of you will go for. If you do prefer to be paid with gift cards, that's also not a problem, because as you can see, there are a number of different gift cards available. So just to summarise, this website has a variety of ways for you to get paid. And with that said, the last thing I want to mention about Earnably is the fact that it does get amazing reviews on Trustpilot. So I wanted to show you these reviews so you can see that this site is 100% legit and that it does pay out. And you can see from the reviews that this is definitely the case. So as you can see, it has a rating of 4.8 stars, which is actually a very excellent rating to have, because most sites, even if they have a good reputation, won't get past a 4-star rating on this platform. And you can also see the reviews are extremely positive. So in total there's been 961 reviews, and you will be able to see more information on the reviews if you want to come and check out Trustpilot yourself. So if we take a look, we can see that 83% of people rated it as excellent, 13% of people rated it as great, and only 1% of people rated it as poor, and only 2% rated it as bad. So I believe from these reviews alone that actually speaks volumes about how amazing it is to begin earning money with this platform. All you have to do is simply go onto their main page, click on sign up here, and then just go ahead and fill out a quick form to register and create your account. So before I go ahead and reveal the final website today, what I'm going to do is just give you some time to subscribe to the channel, and of course give it a thumbs up if you've loved the video so far. So now let's get back to the video and learn about the final website where you can make money online. So the last website is actually called surveytime.io, and to earn money on this website, all you need to do is complete surveys. So you can expect to earn up to $1 for every survey. The disadvantage of this site is the fact that you can only generate money by completing surveys, and that you don't have as many possibilities as with the previous mentioned sites. So it can get quite tedious doing the same tasks over and over again, but looking at the positive and the fact that you can earn up to $1 per survey more than compensates for this. So most sites actually pay a lot less per survey finished, as some of you may be aware if you've tried other survey sites. So now let's dive in deeper and talk about how you will get paid for your your efforts. So you can see that they actually accept PayPal, Coinbase, Amazon and Target gift cards. So unlike the previous mentioned websites, this one actually allows you to be paid in cryptocurrency, which is a huge benefit. So again, what I'm going to do, I just want to present to you the reviews, so you know the sites I am telling you about are working and they do pay out. So if we go back to Trustpilot, you can see this site has actually incredible feedback and reviews, with a 4.5 star rating and around 9,667 reviews. So again, if you want to check this out yourself on Trustpilot, you can do, but you know this is definitely real and it's going to pay you out and it is legit. And to get started with survey time, it's actually very easy to do. All you have to do is sign up via Facebook, Google or Twitter, or what you can do is sign up via email by entering your email address, clicking the Start Now button, and then just filling out a few additional details about yourself, which is going to go and create your brand new account. And last of all, I just want to mention that the Survey Time actually do feature a fantastic affiliate program. So I just wanted to make you aware of this, because advertising this website as an affiliate can actually earn you a lot more money than taking surveys, watching movies or doing anything else. Advertising this platform and a few others as an affiliate can become your major source of income. More importantly though, advertising this site can earn you money in the form of passive income. The fact that it has excellent ratings on Trustpilot will be quite useful in persuading people to try it out, and you will be compensated if you join their affiliate program. So to do this, all you need to do is click onto affiliates down here, and the page you will get taken to will ask for your email address, full name and Skype login. And before you can sign up as an affiliate, you must first obtain an affiliate link, which you can then share to generate passive income. So that just about wraps up this video for today, and I hope you did find value in this. If you do love similar content like this, then go ahead and check out my channel and take a look at my other videos, and also make sure you click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we release a new video.